Hello everyone. Today I'm going to tell about how can we create CSV file using Windows PowerShell. For this, open up the PowerShell-ISE and I will discuss here two cases. The first one is creating a simple file. By creating a simple file employees.csv, add this path with the column values first name, last name and username, and these are the three hard code values. These are three hard code values, and in the last line it will add these values to the employees.csv file. And here is my local directory, and I press enter. The file will be created with these values. Now in a case to read this file, I have a directory called test_files, and I need that these are the my file name, and I need that before underscore value David is will be inserted into the first column, and after underscore value Mike will be into the second column, and similarly on the next row John will be in the first column and Gary will be in the second column, and for all the files. For this, how can I manipulate this piece of code to get all the file names and inserting the before and after underscore values in their respective columns? For this, first I have to get the path of my directory. To get the path of your directory, this is a function get child item, and here you can write your local directory path. Copy it, copy and paste, and in $items I will get the local directory path. Then how can I manipulate this piece of code? For this, as I have only two values, one is before underscore and the second one is after underscore, so I have to delete the last column. The before underscore value should be into the first name, and the after underscore value should be in the last name. For this, remove these hard code values, and here write dollar items dot base name will be the name of the file um, without extension. Dot split will be used to split the values by a separator. Here the separator will be underscore, and index value is before underscore value. The index will be 0, and for the next value, copy this, paste, and index value will be 1. Now in order to concatenate this single code with this variable value $items dot base name, I have to write a plus sign here. There will be the external single quote value plus sign will be on the both sides. Plus this single quote value. Now press enter. The file will be created. File should contain the values David and Mike, and in my folder there are two columns, but it only took first value because I didn't apply a loop here. To get all the files, I should apply for each loop so that it will take up all the file names and insert in their respective columns. For this, I have to write if for each loop. Where should I write a for each loop? For each dollar item 1, item 2 in dollar items, bracket, curly bracket close, here items 2 and items 2. Now it should have all the file names. When you press enter, the file will be created, and David, Mike, John and Kerry, like in this folder. The before underscore value David in the first column, and after underscore value Mike in the second column, and John in the first and Kerry in the next column. In this way, when you have created your CSV file, you can import in your database. So it is pretty much easy by this split function and this items base name function. So that's it. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and do any suggestion in the comment section. Thank you.